the most important part of marriage is you must first put Christ in the center of your relationship as you cope your everyday lives together as husband and wife.
Before I start, thank you God for this opportunity to get married to the man I love.
Alisa, did you come here on your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, I did.
Mark, did you come here on your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
I do.
O yung manok nyo si Dabog, tandaan nyo, kailangan kapag inano nyo, kumakahig yun.
Lagi natin ipagdasal yung pamilya natin. Tulungan tayo ng Panginoon. Mahal na mahal kita. Hindi kita iiwan.
Sarap sa feeling na minahal ka ng taong mahal mo kahit ano ka pa. Sa 7 years nating mag-girlfriend and boyfriend, marami na tayong pagsubok na pinagdaanan. May mga ups and downs pero hindi ka sumuko. Andyan ka pa rin para sa amin ng mga bata.
Don't worry, you will find me when you need me. I am watching you. Don't worry, you will find
On this day, as we begin our new life together, I promise to love you and honor you for the rest of my